Alright, folks, ladies. So, we'll do a little unboxing. And I ordered some more hot sauce. And this is actually from Inferno Farms. We got a few of them. I've seen this on Hot Sauce Junkie Tim's channel. Oh, we have stickers. Cool. Oh, we have a bunch of stickers. So we got two of them. Dang. Very generous with the stickers. Nice. I love this. Check this out. And a larger version. A couple small ones. Cool. Let's see what we got. Invoice. Thank you so much for your order. Participating in our promotion of our sauces. There's their email. Hobbs Horror. Get you some, son. Alright, we got packing peanuts, so we'll get all these out and get these out of the way. And of course, we are going to be trying one of these. I'm saying we like there's more than one of us in here. And maybe it's the voices in my head. Yeah, they had a promo. I bought 6 best. A really good price. Alright. So let's open these bad boys up. Yay, not 10 tons of tape. Inferno Tingleberry. Well, we're not raising them too high and you're missing. This one's called Volcanus. Okay, I got it. Illuminati. This is very spicy. Oh, well, let's see. Volcanus, extra hot. Very hot. Let's see. What level are we going to go? Alright, this here is the one that Hot Sauce Junkie Tim and his wife Kate tried on his channel. It is a nice mild one. Green Monster. Let's see, and this one we've got Pineapple Triple X Express. It just simply says that it's hot. And this one just simply says it's hot, and it's called Where There's Smoke. Let's see, which one are we going to try? Not in the mood for pineapple. Maybe. Tim tried a mild one. I want something with a little zip on it. Let's see, I think we're going to go with let's try Tingleberry. It simply says very hot. We're with best ingredients. Organic strawberries. Interesting. We got pineapple, sugar, chili pepper, honey, fresh lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. Wow. So I'm a bad actor reading a bad script on that one. Let's see. We got water. We got white vinegar. We got ginger, garlic, vanilla extract. Water, alcohol, 5%. Uh-oh. Vanilla bean extract, sea salt, spice, xanthan gum. Here's their website again. What the heck? Let's give this one a try. Do we have zip? Yay, we got a zip. Yeah, this was over Rob93's watching his live stream. Him and Daniken Aquatics. Had Alex from Secret History Living in Your Aquarium. Great show. Alright, there's nice thin. Let's see how much I pour on me. Nice. Kind of puts me in mind a really good high quality chili powder. Oh wow. That's unique. I don't know if that's Ghost or Reaper, but it's one or the other in there. Maybe even a combination. And dang, it's definitely got a kick to it. Nice. Oh yeah, good stuff. My eyes watering a little bit. I mean, the feeling in the sinuses, the back of the throat. No lip burn. I'm not complaining about that either. But yeah, dang. It brought a little tears to my eye. That's very good. Tingleberry, Inferno Farms. Check them out. You want something spicy? A really good price too. All right, folks. Later.